Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Barrick from GearBrain, and today I'm just going to quickly show you how to install and how to set up and connect these two products from C by GE, the dimmer and color control smart switch and the full color smart bulb. So what's really great about this new smart switch is that you can put this into your house without actually having to screw it into the wall. So that makes it really ideal for renters, for anyone who really doesn't want to start messing around with wires. You could see this in a dorm room environment, in a rental home, any place that's just something where you really want to just make it like a kind of a clean and easy install. How easy is this? This took me 5 minutes. Basically, there's 3 parts to the switch. There's the actual switch piece that I have attached to the wall with like 3M strips. There's a little plate that then gets screwed attached to that switch, but not into the wall, and then a plate above it. And I installed this by then adding it to my C by GE app, and I have C by GE smart bulbs inside my lamp in here. Both of those get connected over Bluetooth to the C by GE app, and then they have to be placed, which we outline in the review, into the same room. So you can't just have them in the app, you've got to make sure they're actually recognizing themselves in the same room. So once you've done that, you can see I've got like a switch, a regular switch here. This is a normal wired switch. This actually turns the light, the power on and off. This is something that we talk about with smart switches. To put this into a room where you've already got a lamp plugged into an electrical outlet, you need to have this in the on position all the time, so the electricity is always running to your device where the bulbs are screwed in, which we have that here. So now I'm going to show you, the switch has pretty much like 3 different controls. You can turn on the light incrementally. You can see I'm doing that here, and I can then make it dimmer. I can also turn it up to its highest and turn it off, and that's doing that really slowly. Even from an off position, I can still incrementally bring up the light, the brightness. And then I'm going to show you that on here on the bottom, which is kind of hard to see, there is another kind of toggle back and forth that lets you change the color temperature of the light bulb. That's what makes smart lights so great, is that you can really run through lots and lots of colors, from blue to purple to red to white. But of course white has a lot of different kind of color temperatures to them. There's warm, there's cool. So by toggling through this, you can see I'm getting that light much warmer. That's pretty much orange at this point. And I can really make it also a lot cooler, which is what I'm doing now. And I'm going to just bring that down a little bit. And it's getting a lot cooler, you can see that, and a lot less dim. So that's it. You can also manage this through the app, through the C by GE app. So if you want to be in your living room and you want to be on the couch and dim and lower the lights or change the color temperature, you can do that right from the app as well. But it's really nice to be able to have this just on the wall. And again, this is sort of a game changer, because before we had smart switches that were wireless, you had to really know how to put these in. They often required extra certain kinds of wires into the housing that sometimes required that you would bring in an electrician if you weren't comfortable with that. So again, this is the C by GE smart switch. It's a wire-free smart switch that we've connected to the smart bulbs. So thanks for joining us. Again, I'm Lauren Barrick from GearBrain, and hope you find that you might be able to use these in your home as well. Thanks so much.